Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gnome cupcakes. These charming little treats are perfect for any celebration, bringing a touch of magic to your dessert table. You don't need to be a master baker to create these. With a few simple steps, anyone can craft these delightful gnomes. We'll cover everything from baking the cupcakes to adding those adorable finishing touches, making the process fun and straightforward. First, let's get our foundation ready. Bake your cupcakes according to your preferred recipe, ensuring they are perfectly golden and moist. While they cool, whip up a batch of creamy buttercream frosting. This versatile frosting will be the canvas for our gnome designs. Remember, patience is key. Wait until your cupcakes are completely cool before you even think about frosting them to avoid a melty mess. Now for the fun part, bringing your gnomes to life. Start by shaping their iconic pointed hats. You can use colored fondant or even a sugar cone dipped in chocolate. Next, pipe a generous, fluffy beard using a star tip and white frosting, giving your gnome character. Finally, add a small, round candy or a mini marshmallow for their cute little nose, positioning it just below the hat and above the beard. To complete your gnome masterpieces, consider adding tiny edible details like sprinkles for buttons or a touch of edible glitter for extra sparkle. Don't be afraid to get creative with colors and flavors to make each gnome unique. These charming treats are sure to bring smiles to everyone's faces. For more baking inspiration and other great deals, including a link to a fantastic new e-reader, be sure to check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.